Today I'll be making Bucatini alla amatriciana, which is a very simple dish that you can do in less than 20 minutes. I already have the water boiling. I'm going to start by putting in a couple pinches of salt. We want 1, 2, 3. Okay, while we wait for the water to boil, we have our chili here. We're going to start chopping these up. Into the pan, a splash of oil. Okay, first in we have our chilies. And we have our pancetta. Okay, so basically the original recipe is with the guanciale ham, but like the carbonara, I don't like guanciale ham.
I don't like guanciale.
Yeah, it's a very salty like.
Well, it's not salty. It's just very strong flavor. So
we
prefer pancetta, but the original is guanciale. So we don't want to offend anybody from Amatrice. Amatrice, do you know it's a town, city town in Italy, very famous because there was a earthquake and. The amatriciana comes from Amatrice actually, so it's very important.
Geography lesson.
Geography, yeah. Also history because there was a earthquake there, yeah, unfortunately. So we're gonna saute this, I suppose.
See.
How we feeling today, chef?
I am feeling very good.
Very good, huh?
Except school's tomorrow, so that kind of sucks.
School's tomorrow.
Yeah.
We've been very busy lately, haven't we?
Yeah.
But dinner is gonna make everything, all the problem go away.
Now a little bit of white wine.
Okay, open the fire, nice.
This is going to give nice flavor.
And we are ready to prepare the tomato sauce.
Okay. Now it's time for the passata.
We can use fresh tomatoes, but we are gonna do something quite fast for, you know. Yeah, I think that would be good enough.
See.
For the bucatini we are cooking tonight, it's good enough. And then we cook the sauce a little bit.
This is coming nicely.
Let me see. Beautiful. Twist a little bit. Nice.
Okay, as you can see, the water is boiling.
I love this. I don't have to cook. My son is cooking tonight. I love it. And
here we have.
What a cook! What a chef!
See, of course. Here we have Bucatini.
Oh!
Whoa! Did you see that?
Yeah, the water definitely went out.
That was.
I'm not gonna cut this. Turn it on a flame again.
That was.
I was just finished to say the water cook.
No.
Okay, so
that's bad.
No. So this is how not to cook the bucatini. I think what you did, you mentioned that the water just went over. Anyway, it's just water. So put the bucatini inside and then let's start cooking. So 6 minutes, right?
See.
Okay, so 5 minutes 30 seconds. They're done. We'll be back with you guys. Let's sort it out this mess first.
Look kind of cool.
Well, we show something cool in the kitchen sometimes.
See.
Dangerous, but cool.
Okay, our tomato sauce is done. We have our pasta here.
Don't put the kitchen on fire, yeah?
Yeah, don't worry, I won't.
I think the water is okay, because it makes a little bit of the starch of the water, yeah, the cream. Beautiful Bucatini. So you know Bucatini have a hole all the way through. And
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Look at this. Here we have pecorino.
Just a little bit of pecorino to give it a little bit. We go, I'll help you. I wash my hands, by the way. Nice. Metteci al pecorino, diceva Bombolo. Metteci al pecorino, metteci al pecorino. Nice. Ok, siamo pronti ad impiattare. We're ready to plate. I'll give you the plate. Okay, that's enough.
So here we have our Bucatini alla matriciana. Look at that.
Let me see. Ooh, beautiful. We put the kitchen on fire almost, but the result, well, you tell me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I don't like that sound. Ugh. Anyway, here I have my pasta.
Can you feel the spiciness?
Yeah.
Is it coming to you? Show the face.
No, vabbè, non joking.
Is it good?
No, yeah, see, it is good, but actually no, I don't have any complaints. The spiciness is good. Pancetta, nice. I'll take one piece right here if I can even get it.
Okay, I think I'm hungry. Let's eat.
See,
Is it good? So that's your Bucatini
alla
matriciana. Again, made with pancetta.
see,
We don't like guanciale.
see.
But you guys listen to this, don't make people from amatrice mad or Italian mad. Do it with the guanciale.
Yeah. Unless you're like me that doesn't like guanciale, then you have the
Right.
excuse. But anyway, grazie mille, alla prossima, I will see.
What's the next recipe? Do we know?
No.
We don't.
Arancini maybe.
Ooh, arancini.
vibe.
Guys,
Arancini
you guys
vibe.
wanna stay? Okay, arancina, love it. Do it for me, please, because it's one of my favorite.
Ciao.